नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप लोग कैसे हैं? मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूं कि आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे। तो आज 26 अगस्त का करंट अफेयर्स हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं। तो हमारा पहला करंट अफेयर ये है। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज्म हैज साइंड एन MOU with which entity and FICCI ladies organization with primary objective of women empowerment. So the answer of this question is Travel Agents Association of India. Our next question is, which application has been launched by the Indian Air Force to provide career related information and details to the aspirants who wish to join the Indian Air Force? So the answer of this question is mobile application, which is My IAF. So the next current affair is, which tech giant has launched the Anywhere School initiative in more than 250 countries around the world? Of course, it is Google. So the next current affair is, who has won the Women British Open 2020 title in golf? It is Sofia Popov. The next current affair is, the first meeting of the National Coordination Committees for monitoring implementation of mutually agreed projects between India and which Central Asian country was concluded? It is Uzbekistan. Our next current affair is, famous all-rounder Cameron White was playing for which country, who has announced his retirement from all forms of professional cricket? As you can see, आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कंगारू का फ़ोटो है। तो हम लोग इससे अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि ये किस कॉन्टिनेंट का एनिमल है। तो इसका आंसर ऑस्ट्रेलिया है। Which country has launched its optical remote sensing satellite Gofen 905 along with the two smaller payloads? आप लोग तो ये जानते हैं कि ये फ्लैग किस कंट्री का है, और इसका आंसर है चाइना। हमारा नेक्स्ट करंट अफेयर है, द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया and the government of Maharashtra has signed a loan agreement of rupees 500 million with which bank for Mumbai Urban Transport Project 3? So the answer of this question is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, which is also known as AIIB. ये फुल फॉर्म जोर याद रखिएगा आप लोग। Which water technology company has won the prestigious Global Water Award for its 45 billion liters a day tertiary treatment reserve osmosis plant? VA Tech Waback Limited. So the next current affair is, the Chamber of Marthavada Industry and Agriculture, which is also known as CMIA, partner with which organization to set up a help desk for micro, small and medium enterprises, which is also known as MSMES? So the answer is United Nations Development Program. Our next current affair is, the Indian Pavilion at the Army 2020 International Military and Technical Forum was inaugurated in which country? As you can see the picture of which person? It is Putin. So the answer is Russia. Which football club has won the UEFA Championship League 2019-20 title? It is Bayern Munich. The longest river roadway of India has been inaugurated in which state of India? So the answer of this question is Assam. So the next current affair is, as per the new announcement made by the finance minister of the government of India, what shall be the annual turnover for the business to enjoy GST exemption? It is rupees 40 lakhs. Who has authored the book on cancer titled Gastric Cancer, released by Union Minister Jitendra Singh? So the answer of this question is Dr. Ashok K. Vaid. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you all of you for watching till the end. I hope that you have watched all the questions that I have mentioned here. तो अब मैं आपसे यही उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप कृपया करके प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें। मैं आगे भी ऐसा वीडियो अपलोड करता रहूँगा आप लोगों की दुआ से। थैंक यू।